Look forward to. Look forward to means to feel excited about something in the future, to anticipate something positively, or to expect something with pleasure. It's important to note, it's always about the future. If you look forward to something, you feel happy thinking about it, you expect it in the future, or want it to happen. It's positive, polite, and very natural. Let's look at some common real-life examples. Let's say this weekend you're going to a concert, or maybe you're going to the beach. You have a really exciting weekend planned for yourself. You can say, I'm looking forward to the weekend. Or maybe you have a friend who has just planned her vacation for the summer. You could say, she's looking forward to her vacation. Or, they're looking forward to seeing you. You will also notice that this is used a lot in work and professional life, especially in meetings and emails. You could say, for example, I look forward to our meeting tomorrow. I could say this to a potential client that I have a meeting with planned for tomorrow, or I could even email it. Or maybe you just wrapped up a sales pitch with a colleague of yours. You turn to the potential client and you say, thank you so much for your time. We look forward to working with you. Or maybe you just finished an interview. You shake the interviewer's hand and you say, I look forward to hearing from you. Remember, this is extremely common in emails and meetings. Also, I want you to think of excited for as being more casual, whereas look forward to is more polite and professional. Now repeat after me. Look forward to. Look forward to. Look forward to.